Okay, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta ang pagsagot ninyo sa inyong mga modules? Okay, again, this is Ma'am Lina na nagsasabi po na huwag po tayong tumigil na mangarap kahit na mahirap. So, nandito lang po ako bilang teacher nyo sa math, gumagawa ng paraan upang kayo ay mapatuto, upang kayo ay may matutunan kahit na wala tayong face-to-face. So, this morning, I'm going to discuss to you about the linear equations in two variables. Bakit ba siya tinawag na linear equations in two variables? Because it involves two variables. We have the x and y. Sometimes, we use the variables a and b. Okay, so what is the exact definition of a linear equation in two variable? A linear equation in two variable is an expression that can be written in standard form ax plus by equals c, or it is in the form of slope intercept form y equals mx plus b. Okay? So today, I'm going to teach, or I'm going to discuss to you how to transform or how to rewrite this standard form to slope intercept form and vice versa. Okay, so but before that, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung mga examples ng tinatawag nating linear equations in two variables in standard form at saka in slope intercept form. So look at this. If the equation is in the form of ax plus by equals c, it is in standard form. Like for example, x plus y equals 4. Okay? The value of a here is understood 1. Yung katabi ni x, understood 1 yan. Then, the value of b is also 1, while the value of c is 4. Another, 10x minus 3y equals 7. Another, x minus 8y equals negative 7. So these are examples of a linear equation in two variables in standard form. Another, when the equation is in the form of like this, y equals x plus 8, o kaya y equals mx plus b, they are written in slope intercept form. No? So madali natin makilala. Kasi usually nauuna lang yung variable na makikita natin sa left side is only y. Another example is y equals negative 2x plus 1. Another example, y equals x over 4 negative 7. Dito sa ganitong forma, no, you can easily determine the value of m and b. Ma'am, ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng m? It is a slope, no? Tandaan natin in algebra, in mathematics, the value of m stands for slope. And small b, letter b, yung small b, that is stands for y-intercept. So, dito sa number 1, y equals x plus 8, kung tutuusin, nakikita natin kaagad yung value ng m, that is understood 1, at yung value naman ng b is understood 8 or 8. Okay? So again, there are two forms of a linear equation in two variables. One, standard form. The other one is slope intercept form. Okay? So let's continue. Let's transform linear equations into variables from the standard form to y-intercept and vice versa. Okay? So, siguro naman naintindihan nyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng vice versa. Pag nakikita nyo sa jeep yan, nakalagay El Nido to Taytay and vice versa. Ibig sabihin, El Nido to Taytay, then Taytay to El Nido. Okay, so, let's take the first one. Okay, here. Nakalagay dyan, transform the following linear equations in two variables from standard form to slope intercept. Okay? So, from standard to slope. So, yung mga nakikita natin dito ng mga examples, ito, yung mga given, they are written in standard form. At ito ay i-rewrite natin into slope intercept. Okay? So, I will show you how to transform this. Okay, this is the first example. Makikita nyo siya ay nasa pormang standard. So, paano natin gagawing slope intercept? You bring down y, then, we will transpose this. Dapat yung x nasa right side. It is positive, so tandaan natin yung rule. Pag nilipat natin yan, magiging negative. Then, you bring down positive 5. Ma'am, bakit hindi mo pinalitan yung sign ng 5? Kasi hindi naman siya naglipat ng position, no? Nananatili siya sa right side. So, this is our answer. So, here, y equals negative 3x plus 5. Dito makikita mo na yung slope. It is negative 3. Our y-intercept is 5. Okay, let's take another one. Number 2 is x plus 5y equals 7. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, dapat maiwan yung y sa left side. So, you bring down 5y is equal to, ito mo ng x. So, this positive x, when you transpose it to the other side, it will be negative x. You bring down positive 7. But this is not yet final kasi may kasama pang variable c, y. So, we will bring down y equals negative x plus 7 all over 5. Or y is equal to negative x over 5 plus 7 over 5. Okay? So, let's have another one. Or another example. How about this one? How do you transform 4x minus y equals 1? 4x minus y equals 1. How do you transform that into slope intercept form? So, we will bring down negative y. Huwag lang y, hindi lang y. Dapat kasama pati si negative. So, you must be careful. Then, this positive 4x will become negative 4x. You bring down positive 1. Okay, negative 4x. This is not yet final. We need to remove the negative sign in y, no? So, papaano, ma'am? So, we will divide both sides by negative 1, negative 1. So, this will be positive y. Ito, negative divided by negative will be positive 4x. And this will be negative 1. Okay? Again, so you bring down negative y is equal to, lipat natin yung negative, yung positive 4x. It will be negative plus 1. Then, that's not yet final. We need to divide both sides by negative 1. So, it will be negative y divided by negative 1 will become positive y. Sabihin nyo, bakit ma'am kailangan i-divide pa natin? Kasi kailangan walang negative side. Dapat walang negative sign dito sa may y. Okay? Then, negative 4x plus 1, divide both by negative 1. So, negative divided by negative is positive 4x. 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. Okay? Another. Okay, last. We have 2x plus y. Let's rewrite 2x plus y equals 8 into slope intercept form. So, bring down y equals. So, ito magiging negative 2x. Mananatili siyang positive. So, that will be the answer. O, madali lang, di ba? Okay. Letter B. Ano yung nakalagay sa letter B? Okay, this time we're going to transform the following linear equations in two variables to standard form. So, vice versa ng ginawa natin. So, makikita nyo yan, sila ay nasa slope intercept. Ita-transform natin o kaya ililipat, rewrite into standard. Okay, so let's take example number 1. Y is equal to x over 2 plus 1. This one. Y is equal to x over 2 plus 1. So, how will you rewrite this in standard form. Yung standard form natin ay ax plus by equals c. So, ganito lang yon, no? We have the denominator here. So, kailangan natin na i-remove yan. How? By multiplying all the terms by 2. So, it will be 2y. Then, 2 times x is 2x. Divided by 2 is equal to x. Again, 2 times y equals 2y. 2 times 2 is 2x. Divided by 2 is x. Then, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. But that's not yet final. Okay? So, in order to follow ax plus by equals c, so dapat yung positive 2 lang ang dito maiiwan, no? So, anong gagawin natin? Plus tayo, mag-ano tayo rito, maglipat ulit. We will transpose negative x, o positive x, plus 2y is equal to 2. But that's not yet final, no? So, we will divide again both sides. Para maging positive si x, divide all the terms by negative 1. So, the final answer will be positive x, negative 2y is equal to negative 2. And so, papansin niyo siya ay nasa formang ax plus by equals c. Again, so, ito yung given, ito yung question. How do you transform this in standard form? So, kailangan natin ilipat si x dito sa left side, no? So, this positive x will be negative x plus 2y equals 2. But this is not yet final, okay? So, kailangan natin ma-remove yung negative sign. So, dividing all the signs by negative, so it will be positive x. Ito naman negative 2y. This is negative 2. May mga technique ako dyan. Kapag ganyan, palitan lang lahat ng sign. Kung negative siya, magiging positive. Yung positive, magiging negative. Then yung positive, magiging negative. Okay, let's have another one. How will you transform y equals negative 7x plus 10 into standard form? Gaya ng sinabi ko, pag sinabing standard form, dapat ax plus by equals c. Sa madalit sabi, dapat si x nasa kaliwa na, no? Magkasama sila ni y. So this negative 7x will become positive 7x. Then you bring down positive y, that is understood positive. Then you bring down 10 o kaya positive 10. So that is final. Okay? Okay, another one. So, last example tayo. How will you transform y is equal to x plus 2 all over 5? How will you transform y is equal to x plus 2 all over 5? So, we have a denominator. Kailangan nating tanggalin yung denominator. How? By multiplying all terms by 5. So, it will be 5y. 5 times x will be 5x. 5x divided by 5 will be x. Again, bakit tayo nag-multiply ng 5? In order to remove or in order to eliminate the denominator. So, 5 times y is 5y. 5 times x is 5x. 5x divided by 5 is x. 5 times 2, 10. Divided by 5 is 2. Pero hindi pa yan tapos, no? Kailangang lumipat ni x doon sa left. So, this x will be negative, this positive x, I should say, will become negative x. Bring down positive 5, o 5y. Then you bring down 2. Dahil negative pa yung x dito, kailangan lahat sila magbabago ng sign. No? Or dividing all by negative 1. Kaya lang mayroon akong tinuturong technique, magpapalit lang kayo ng sign lahat. So, positive, negative 5y, then negative 2. So, these are our answer. Okay? So, sana po ay may naintindihan kayo. Sana may napulot kayo kahit papaano sa ibinigay kong example sa inyo. That's how to transform a linear equation into variables from the standard to slope intercept form and vice versa. Okay, so till next time. Thank you.